Getting a job after a break can be very stressful. It is also a painstaking task. You do not know the recent trends in the job market, nor do you have the skills required to use the technology that has been developed in the recent years. It's very natural for you to feel lost, and the advice given by friends and relatives can be very confusing. Yes, I was in a similar situation a few years back until I met a career counselor, and this changed my life completely. In the counseling session, I was able to understand my strength and weakness, my inborn intelligence, my aptitude, and I was able to map my interest and personality to a career in which I would ultimately be happy. Today, when I look back, I am so happy I took this session, which has revealed a lot of my untapped potential. This is the power of career counseling. One career counseling session can help you set the right career goals and lead you to the path of success.